So first of all, I'll be showing you the withdrawal proof. You can see 6.71 BUSD. I have made withdrawal on 31st of December, which is last year. So probably it is 5 to 6 days back. And you can see this is the wallet address which I have given the withdrawal. And I'll be showing you the direct proof of it. You can see I have received this 6.71 exact amount which I have showed you. And the date you can see, I'll be showing you where's the date. It's over here, 31 of December, and time you can see 5:13 p.m. and you can also see my wallet address. You can also cross check. You can see the wallet address over here. It ends with 5F0, and also over here it ends with 5F0, and you can also see the timing. It was exactly similar which I showed you. So now what I just want to tell you in this video, that this is the withdrawal proof, just to motivate you that this website and this application is real, and this is just to show you that you can earn over here. And how you can do the earning, I'll be telling you each and every single step by step. So first of all, I'll be giving you the link for this website where you can just register and download the application. So once you download, you have to register and log in over here. So login details is very simple. It's a very simple method how you create a account in Instagram or TikTok or wherever. It's a similar process over here. And once you do that, once you make an account successfully, all you have to keep in mind that there are multiple ways to earn money over here. So first way of earning money is playing the quiz. You can see per day they will be giving you the 2 quizzes. So one quiz will be activated at midnight, that is 12 a.m. at midnight, and one more quiz will be activated at 2 p.m. at afternoon. So if you win this quiz, if you answer all the questions, 10 out of 10 questions, as I'll show you over here. So these are the questions. If you answer all the 10 out of 10 questions correctly, then you will be given the share of the reward. And what is the reward? I'll be quitting this quiz. That reward is 220 million. And similarly, if you are among that winner, you will be divided equally. So that is one way of earning. The next way of earning is you will be earning through the quiz. This quiz you can participate unlimited times. There are 3 levels of quiz: easy, medium, and hardest level of quiz. So you can also make coins through by earning this or answering this quiz in a simplest manner. So I'll be telling you one important and one big advantage over here. It is just this app is designed in such a way that anyone can install and play, and you don't have to do any single deposit over here. The biggest advantage over here is you will get a knowledge. So whatever the general knowledge you will be not knowing in the cryptocurrency, you will be getting over here. You will be understanding what and all happen. So if you have answered correctly, you will be earning tokens. So it's that simple. So anyone who is interested, I'm pretty sure that by now, if you're watching this video, you are very interested. So now there are 2 other ways to earn the tokens. It was just small way of earning. These two are small way of earning, that is playing quiz twice a day and playing quiz using difficulties. Now let us come into the third part of earning over here, that is through the referral system. So referral system is very simple. You will be given code over here. You can see if you tap on this grow my team, you will be getting a link. You can see this is your referral link. So if you invite your friends, you will be getting certain amount of tokens. So you can see I have been getting a lot of referral rewards over here. So I'll be telling you how you can increase the referral rewards to unlimited. It's not limited to $1 or $2. You can unlimited. You can make it as $100 easily if you are dedicated enough. So if you're watching this video, make sure you are fully dedicated. If you're not dedicated, you might be complaining later that I have not received. So this video is for that people who are interested to make money, who can do anything legally to make anything money over here. So this was the third way of earning the tokens, that is by referral. And now the fourth method, this is very interesting part, that is through mining. So mining is very simple. You have to come over here. If I just tap on this tab button, it will start mining. So since my mining has been stopped, you can see that I cannot mine because my mining limit has reached for today. So every day you have to come and you have to tap on this button known as tap, the orange color. So you will be mining over here. So let us say your mining hash rate is very small. You can see that I'm earning 16,000 per day and 3 tokens per second. So if I want to increase it, you can just tap on that basket and you can get the new the new mission, and you can mine over here. You can increase the tokens. Now it is 16,000. Have to pay some of the tokens over here. It will be deducted from here, and I can earn 33,000 per 24 hours. So that is the way of earning. So when you invite your friends, let us say you have invited your friends, and when they earn every day, you will also be getting the tokens which is corresponding to that thing. And then what you have to do, the next step is over here if you want to withdraw. So let us say you have earned a lot of tokens over here. Let us say you have earned around 800,000, because that is the minimum withdrawal part. So let us say I have 800,000 tokens over here. Right now I have 400,000. I'm just giving an example. So if you have that much, you have to tap on this swap and transfer. So if you just tap on this swap and transfer, so let us just see over here. But before that, there is one thing known as exchange. So once you go into that exchange, you have to exchange this gold coins into UHGT coins. And what exactly is this coin? I'll be telling you. I'll be showing you their Twitter. This is the hook protocol. You can see it's already listed in Binance, so this is 100% legit. And then they have Twitter. I'll be showing you. They have a Twitter. This is a hook protocol, real, what do you say, the profile. And you can also see that over here that they have tagged this thing over here. You can see this is the thing, hook protocol. So they are managing this application, that is Wildcash. You can see over here they have mentioned Wildcash over here. So you by now you are understanding that this project is 100% genuine. So let us now come back into the withdrawal part. So whatever the tokens you have, once you have 800,000 token, you can see over here it's written, so it will be transferred into UHGT. And then after it is transferred into UHGT, you can easily swap it into BUSD. So it's that simple. Just write whatever the amount you have UHGT, that is 800,000, and then just tap on this, whatever the BUSD it will be, you have to just swap it. And then you have to tap on this withdraw, and then you can get your withdrawal very easily. It's that simple. You have to take BUSD address from Trust Wallet or Binance or wherever, and then just tap on get email verification code you will be getting, and then tap on the withdrawal button. So that's how I made a withdrawal. You can see this is the first withdrawal I have got. So I'm hoping for more withdrawal because I'm not active in this application. That's why my earning is very low. I come over here once a week, I do some quiz, and that's how my earnings go. So if you stick on to this application and play every day and do quizzes every day, I'm pretty sure that my Nitron subscribers are going to take a big advantage out of this Wildcash application. So I guess everything is clear by now. I hope everyone have got their doubts cleared. So let me just tell you once again, this project is 100% legit, because BNB chain, this is a very big chain network after Ethereum. They have also mentioned this hook protocol. Even Binance has retweeted them. I have showed everything, and now I am sure that you will be convinced by this application. I'm sure you have no investment going on over here. There is no single deposit you are doing. It's 100% free. Just enter into this and start earning from today, right now, at this moment. So I guess that's all for today's video, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Like and share this video maximum. Share this with your friends who have no source of income. They'll be very happy for you, so that you have shared this video. And I'll be seeing you in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Goodbye.